finally landed somewhere long enough to make a little video. Just signed into the Asian session. Grabbed a couple of shorts right off of Asia Center here. We had VWAP right above. We had a pretty sharp drop off after the market opened. We got a nice pullback. Getting close to VWAP, I felt pretty good about taking a continuation short there. Got the ultimate flow set up on the charts. Just the 5-minute NQ, 1-minute NQ, and 60-minute NQ. I do not have the ES up right now. I've got an alternative NQ workspace set up. Just got some nice signals from the new indicator that I've been working on for the past month and a half or so that was divinely inspired by hot chocolate. I've been making it better and better and better. Getting pretty excited about this one. Wasn't planning on making anything new, but when inspiration hits direct from the spirit of hot chocolate, can't ignore it. I also pulled up this random template just to see what it was. It was a system that I built to work off of the XXX. Got the XXX painting the backgrounds and these arrows and dots. I've got the ultimate delta down here, painting the candles. I was just looking back at some of the nice signals. So many different ways to go about this trading thing. We just came up to this area again, right at Asia Center, VWAP above. Grabbed another short. There's also some 50% wicks levels, as well as a 4-hour 50% level. These are from the MMT 50/50. Top of the West Coast morning. It's 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm out on the West Coast. Already missed being on the East Coast. Looks like I missed some awesome price action this morning. Got a huge sell-off today. Made it right down to S3 pivot. This is the built-in NinjaTrader S3 pivot. No signals on my special new chart till right down here at the bottom. Pretty cool. Here's the ultimate flow setup. See, we've been negative on the flow stack on the 5-minute this whole way down. Then we got point of control drawn down into the bottom of this wick here. Delta really started lightening up on both instruments. Now we're getting a nice little pop to the upside. Just got into a 10-point short here. You can see after many consecutive candles of all positive delta, we got our first candle with both negative delta on the NQ and the ES. Went for a short there. We dropped off over 20 points. I was able to grab my 10. Flow stack went bearish here. Point of control up into the wick. More negative delta. The drop off just continued. 20 points after the close of this candle. So I might not be doing much trading in the coming week or so. I had to come back to the West Coast to get my car out of storage, take care of a few things. I'd actually been renting a car for about 5 months out in North Carolina. It was getting pretty crazy, so just trying to figure out what I'm going to do next. Whether it's drive back to the East Coast and set up shop, or just start doing some international traveling to Europe and or Asia, or some combination thereof. So my apologies for any potential lack of videos in the upcoming future. There's still a lot of videos on the channel, and I'm still taking care of people if they grab indicators. The MMT store is still open for business, but activation might take an extra day if I'm traveling. I greatly appreciate anyone that's hanging in there for the long run on the MonkeyMan Trades YouTube channel. While I was editing the video, got a nice polarity washout signal down here on the 1-minute. Got point of control down in the wick here. Flow stack turned bullish. Got a nice pop up there. We had a polarity washout signal on this previous 5-minute candle as well that appeared intra-bar. Got point of control down in the wick here too. There's an entire video showing the complete breakdown of the ultimate flow chart setup. I'll leave a link in the description. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at Apex, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, you're the best. Thanks so much for your support. I'm about to head to the beach. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.